Hello guys, Sulfin here. In this video I'll be unboxing a dual battery charger for the GoPro Hero 6 and the GoPro Hero 5. So they both use the same battery, so it's compatible for both devices. And this specific one is the official one from the GoPro website, and it also comes with an extra battery. So let's go ahead and check it out. I didn't see this piece of tape, so I forgot my knife, but it's okay. So I forgot to say about the box. So the box is basically very simple. It shows you the charger and the extra battery. The back just demonstrates how you use it, and the sides are pretty much nothing. So it's very simple, which is why I kind of wanted to skip it. But in the box is the interesting stuff. Okay, so right in the box you see the charger itself. So it's a very interesting looking charger. I've never seen anything like this before, but it's very compact, which is very useful. And here is the small battery. So let me go ahead and show you guys this battery. It's the same battery as the one that comes with the GoPro itself. So here it is, and this is the charger for it. I think that it is a USB-C. Let me check. Okay, so it is a USB-C, which will be very useful, and it comes with a manual if you want to read it, and some instructions in here. But I mean, it's very straightforward, so you shouldn't need it at all, unless you're trying to troubleshoot something else. Okay, so in here you simply slide the battery in, and that's it. If you want to take it out, you just pull it out. So this is the battery that I took out from the GoPro that came with my GoPro. So let me go ahead and just insert it so that we have two of them connected. And so this is how it should look. So in order to charge this device, all you do is take the USB-C part, connect it, and then you plug it into a charging device. So let me go ahead and do that. Let me just plug it into my computer. Take you guys there. Okay, so let me demonstrate it right here. So you take the USB part, you plug it into one of your ports on your computers. And okay, so if you look at the charger itself, you can see that there's some orange lights on it. So this kind of indicates that it's charging your device or your batteries. And when it's done, I think it should actually turn green. I think. I've never used it before, so I don't know what color it is, but it should be green. So there you guys have it. This is the GoPro dual battery charger, and make sure to subscribe, like this video for more videos like this.